In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create stop motion animation using Google Slides. The first thing you're going to need to do is open up a new Google Slide. So in your drive, click on New, Google Slides. Next, you're going to want to rename your presentation. From there, you can delete these boxes just to create a blank slide. To create the setting for your animation, you can either insert an image or just change the background. So if you click on background, go to image and choose. These are your standard ways to upload an image into Google Documents or Google Slides. So if you have an image on your desktop, you can upload it. You can take a picture with your webcam. If you have the address or URL of an image, you can insert it here. If you have any images stored on in your Google Drive, or you can search. Remember, searching in Google within a Google document or a Google slide gives you copyright-free images. I'm going to choose sunset for this. And I will choose an image that I want. Hit select. Done. I now have the setting for my stop motion animation. The next thing I'm going to want to do is to choose my characters. And the best way to do this is to open up a new tab and search in Google. I'm going to use a boat. Click on images, then go to search tools, choose color, transparent. I also like to choose the type as a clip art drawing or clip art. I can choose the image that I want just by clicking on it and then right clicking and choosing copy image address. I then go back to my animation project, insert image by URL, and paste that URL in. Select that image. You can resize your image. You can have multiple images in your animation if you'd like. You can also insert objects, so like shapes or drawings from the preloaded ones in Google. So if I want to use a cloud maybe to add here. Once I've got my settings started with my characters, then I need to duplicate my slide. To duplicate the slide, I can click on the left-hand side. I can right-click and choose Duplicate Slide, or I can just use the Control D on my keyboard and it will duplicate my slide. Once I have my slide duplicated, I need to select the objects that I want to animate. Just move them a tiny little bit. Oops. It's important that you duplicate from the last slide that you animated so that your object will move fluidly in your animation. You repeat these steps until you have your animation completed. Once you've got the images or the slides set up how you want them for your animation, then you go to File, Publish to the Web. Now there's two ways that you can share your animation. You can share it by a link, so sharing a URL, or you can embed it onto a web page. If you choose link, make sure you click on Start Slideshow as soon as player loads. it doesn't really matter, but how often or how quickly you advance it, because we're going to adjust that later anyways. And then you click on publish. You're going to get a pop-up that says okay. Click okay. Then you get the URL to share. Hit Control C to copy it, or right click, copy. And that's the URL that you want to paste into a browser. And we want to adjust this number here, 1,000, or if you have 3 seconds, it'll say 3,000. Just to speed up the animation, we're going to put 150. Anywhere from 100 to 200 is the best. And you then take that address and that URL, and that's what you can share. So you can email it, or post it as a link on a website or a document. But whenever someone clicks on it or you go to that link, you'll see that your animation happens automatically. The other way to share your animation is to embed it. So if you publish to the web and you click on embed, you can choose your slide size depending on the page. You also want to start the slideshow as soon as it loads. And then when you click publish, you're going to get this embed code. All you have to do is Control C to copy that, or right click copy. And then on a website builder, like if you're using Weebly, for example, you can drag and drop an embed code button onto your site and then paste the embed code in that custom HTML. So Control V, or right click and paste, and then you'll see your animation. And that's how you create stop motion animations with Google Slides.